what is your name?
Hi, my name is Rachel Wala.
How old are you?
I'm 41,
Okay. What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, I
Do you
am.
have kids?
Yes, I have four kids.
How old are they?
The eldest is 22, 18, 17, 13.
Okay. So how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
5 years and 7 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay. So how long have you been working with your previous employer?
11 months
Where's your employer living in?
at Taitam.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,600.
1,700.
1,700.
Okay. So how many family member?
They are 4,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
4 years old and 4 months.
Okay. So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, preparing the breakfast of my boss and the girls going to school, prepare the girls going to school, and I prepare the lunch, the breakfast of the boy. I take care of the boy, and then I clean the house when he go to sleep, and then after around 10 o'clock I prepare the lunch of the boy and my boss.
Okay. And then how about marketing? Do you go market?
No.
Okay. How about dinner? What time you prepare?
I prepare dinner around 4 o'clock.
And then what time you cook?
6:30 I prepare the dinner of the girl, and then 7:30 I prepare the dinner to my boss.
Okay. So what time they eat?
They eat 7:30.
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
9 to 9:30.
Okay. Thank you so much.